Pinangunahan ni Legazpi City Vice Mayor Luis Gutierrez ang kauna-unahang sesyon ng ika-17 Sangguniang Panglungsod ng Legazpi na ginanap kahapon Hulyo 7 sa isang hotel sa lungsod. Dumalo sa pagtitipon sina City Mayor Hisham Ismail, mga elected at re-elected councilors, department heads at 70 punong barangay. Isa sa highlight ng sesyon ay ang pagkakatatag ng mga komite at pagkakatalaga ng mga mamumuno dito. Pangungunahan ni Councilor Lo Beltran ang Committee on Finance and Appropriations, Committee on Public Works and Infrastructure at Committee on Games, Amusement and Entertainment. Pangungunahan naman ni Councilor Attorney Butch Lucila ang Committee on Laws, Rules and Oversight, Committee on Urban Planning and Resettlement at Committee on Public Utilities and Energy. Pangungunahan naman ni Councilor Sunshine Imperial ang Committee on Women, Children and Family Welfare, Committee on Health and Sanitation at Committee on Solo Parents, Persons with Disabilities and Other Vulnerable Groups. Si Councilor Charlton Lahara ang mamumuno sa Committee on Ways and Means, Committee on Environment Protection at Committee on Public Order and Safety and Civil Defense. Committee on Cooperative Livelihood and Employment, Committee on Education, Science and Technology and the Arts, at Committee on Disaster Risk Reduction Management and Climate Change Adaptation naman ang papangasiwaan ni Councilor JP Lee. Committee on Human Rights and Social Justice at Committee on Fisheries and Aquatic Resources naman ang kay Councilor Renato Valladolid. Committee on Trade and Commerce, Committee on Good Governance, Public Ethics and Accountability at Committee on Tourism, Culture and Heritage ang kay Councilor Alan Ranyola. Committee on Agriculture at Committee on Social Welfare and Protection ang kay Councilor Ismael Buban IV. Papangasiwaan naman ni Councilor Vince Baltasar ang Committee on Information and Communications Technology and E-Governance at Committee on Sisterhood, Inter-LGU Partnership and International Relations. Committee on Senior Citizens Affairs at Committee on Sustainable Development Coast naman ang pangungunahan ni Councilor Alexander Hau, habang pangungunahan ni Councilor Mila Bal ang Committee on Barangay Affairs at Committee on Youth and Sports Development naman ang kay Councilor Nicolas Garbin.
This is just the start. We're just laying the foundations for us to begin working. Human sana po. Basically, we set up the committees, the internal rules and procedures.
Hangad daw ng bise na magkaisa ang bawat miyembro ng sanggunian para sa mas positibong resulta ng kanilang mga programa na prioridad ang kapakanan ng bawat Legazpeño.
That's always the goal. Ining grupong ini nagkaulay man, nagkaururon man kami before ini na nangyari. Ining inaugural session kung saan kami man nagkasararo gabos po na konsehal, magiging chairman kang sa tuyang mga komitibas and all of that in search for progress of the city. Ang next na naman will be preparing also for next year's budget. That's always a challenge. And then of course second, all of these councilors gabos man po ini may mga saradiri man po na legislative agenda. Now, ang challenge sa tuya is how to compile and collate all of this and put them all together under one direction. And yan po, gibuhan tamang giraray. We'll do our best.
Pinasalamatan naman ng bagong alkalde ang mga pagsusumikap ng mga dating konsihal na nagbigay ng malaking ambag sa pag-unlad ng lungsod. Tiniyak din ng opisyal na ipagpapatuloy nila ang mga nasimulang programa ng administrasyon ni Congressman Pido Garbin Jr.
Alam naman natin na karamihan sa mga ating mga councilors and vice mayor talagang hasa na pagdating sa legislative matters. Kaya alam ko na they can do their best and ako rin as their city mayor, kakampi po nila ako para palakasin ang sa kanilang mga komitiba.
Ang pagbubukas ng unang sesyon ay nagmarka umano ng isang bagong simula para sa Legazpi City. Para sa mga balitang Tatak, Bicol, Angeline Dagta.